endorsers. And my question is, by the way, my name is Shai Desai, 90.7 Love Radio Manila. Hi there. Alright, so what made you agree on this endorsement?
What do I agree with?
What made you agree
on
this endorsement?
Like I said, since the Ironman's been with Cobra for how many years now? 4 years? 6 years? 6 years, 7th year. You know, I started doing triathlon on the first Cebu race, you know. And whenever I run, I see all these Cobra billboards, Cobra here, Cobra there. And pangarap ko talaga maging face of Cobra. Diba, when we say Cobra, Cobra's astig, Cobra's passion, determination, diba? Never quitting, diba? And it was my dream to just be there, diba? To be in the caliber of Cobra. So when Cobra asked me to be their endorser, there was no hesitations. I didn't even think about it twice. I said, yes, I want to do it. That's my dream come true. So here it is. We did a really crazy, awesome commercial, and it's coming out very soon. So I'm very, very excited.
Galing. I didn't watch the commercial earlier. Galing. So my next question, what are the traits of Cobra that relates to you and your lifestyle?
I never give up.
Gusto mo ba?
Gusto ko ba? Kahit anong bagay sa buhay, di ba? Kahit sports, kahit trabaho, kahit love life. Kahit masakit, gusto ko ba?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. To our friends from Love Radio. Nako ang ganda naman mga tanong. Nasa na yung mga ibang gustong magtanong dyan from our friends from the media. This is a perfect opportunity for you guys. Please just raise your hand and I'll be more than happy to go to you to ask questions.
Hi, my name is JR and I'm a blogger. I just want to know what do you feel is the significance of this powerful campaign, especially with present day, circumstances right now? How relevant is that campaign towards?
I think especially to the Filipinos, Cobra is part of our lifestyle. Like everybody in my household, like my drivers, my friends, everybody, they always have Cobra when they drive. They always say, pwede ba tayo huminto para mag-Cobra? Pwede ba tayo pumunta dyan para mag-Cobra? So, sometimes our Filipino mentality always saying, okay na yun, okay na yun. With Cobra, hindi na okay yun. Gusto mo pa. You really want to push to the max, diba? You always want to do more than what you expect. Do more than what you feel you can do. So, it's Cobra. Cobra just makes people believe, makes people inspired to go to the next level, to push harder than expected, and to do things that they don't even think they were able to do. So, yeah.
How do you compare Filipinos drive nowadays compared to the past?
We all know Filipinos never stop, diba? We're this really strong community. Whatever happens to us, kahit mahulog tayo, kahit bumagsak tayo, kahit anong bagay, kahit anong sitwasyon, we always tend to stand up and stand up stronger. Not just stand up, but stand up stronger. So especially Cobra, it's a Filipino brand that represents us, represents our country. I'm very proud to represent it. Filipino energy drink, talagang to inspire people, to lift up people, and to believe more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well said, Mateo. And of course, thanks also to our different bloggers that are here as well today. More questions here on the floor. We also have Abe, of course, our AVP for marketing for the non-alcohol division for Asia Brewery, and Dan Ong. And if I may take this opportunity to ask Abe or Dan a question, you guys obviously have a lot planned for this campaign, but can you reveal to us beyond what we just saw, which was a really, really awesome TVC? I love that TVC concept, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Well, it's been a culmination of the last couple of months preparation. To add to your question, Patricia, we, aside from this commercial, which of course we're very excited, it's going to air on Sunday, we're also launching our first anthem, actually our first music, our first foray into music. I think you've been hearing it in a while ago, playing, but you may be hearing it in your respective radio stations. I know we have our partners here from the radio stations from Bombo, NBC, the Quest Media Group. Thank you very much, guys, RX, etc. So we're going to air that also. It's very exciting for us. Part of our campaign to talk to the youth a little more aside from the sports. No? Maybe Dan can also answer some of the programs that we have in store.
Well, it's really in the name. Gusto ko pa. So, what people will expect more is that Cobra will be talking to our consumers more. That's why we want it to be more engaging. So, we'll be there online, everywhere, in TV and radio. That's why we want this kind of leveling up mindset to be out there so that we can talk to more people and inspire more people. So that's what we can expect from Cobra.
Well, just watching the TVC and waiting for what you guys have in store next, I'm sure lahat din tayo makakapagsabi na gusto nyo pa. Ako, gusto ko pa. Gusto ko pa nagtatanong. Pwede? Magtaas ng kamay. We have time for one more question. From over. Mga hindi nag-eye contact sa akin, ano, pag nag-eye contact kasi. Siya na, ikaw na. Kanina ba yung tanong ko eh? Ito, kamingin mo.
If I remember, parang si Mateo yung una yung celebrity endorser. Tama po ba? Or
celebrity, yes. We did feature Nonito Donaire in our previous campaign in 2013. But to architect your celebrity, of course, this is our guy right here. He is our first endorser, celebrity endorser, yes. So we're very excited because yun nga, the way Mateo has evolved through the years, from his interests in racing, to acting, singing, and love life interests. And sure, hihiyawan na rin mga fans niya. So yun yung bagay na bagay siya to represent Cobra dahil gusto pa niya.
Thanks, Abe. Since you mentioned this, fans, I just wanted to see what dito taga Team Goodichelli. Mag-ingay ang Team Goodichelli. Okay. Tatanong ko lang, tatanong ko. Bakit as a member of Team Goodichelli, why do you admire Mateo? Is it just the good looks? Diba? Ano yung nagugustuhan nyo kay Mateo at bakit siya yung iniidolo nyo?
Galingan mo ah.
Pakitutok ang microphone ang mga camera dito. Ang pangalan mo ulit? Ted, so bakit niyo nagugustuhan si Mateo?
Mateo is an amazing person, lovable, sweet, bolero din. And then, mahal niya kasi ang mga fans. Tsaka hindi kami yung parang iba. Kaya ramdam na ramdam namin ang pagmamahal niya sa amin.
May Cobra na lahat ng lahat.
But more than that, particularly those who have followed Mateo's adventures as an athlete, as a triathlete, and even back then as a race car driver, I'm sure that you all admire him, not just for those traits that Ted actually mentioned, but also because of his ability to just go beyond. Hindi lang yung to finish a race, but after a race, actually after this, can I share? After this, pupunta pa siya sa gym. Talagang wala siyang finish line. He just keeps going and going. And that to me is really admirable. When someone has their heart set on something, they know to put that they need to push themselves further and to go definitely beyond. Yun yung tunay na lakas. Yung hashtag pa tayo ngayon. Hashtag tunay na lakas at hashtag gusto ko pa. But definitely, Mateo, adding to that, what really gives you the drive? You do so many things. What gives you the drive to try to accomplish all of these?
When people ask me, I always say passion, inspiration. We have to be inspired, we have to be passionate to do something, to give everything to something, diba? So, kumaga, Cobra gives you the next level of passion, next level of inspiration, diba? So, it gives you the next level kick, diba? So, yun. When you like something, you have to love it and give everything you have.
That's true. That is not just in triathlons, not just in race car driving. I'm sure that's in life. In general.
Yes.
In general. Now, let me see. What has been the most difficult challenge for you that you've actually overcome? You can cite a particular race or a particular moment in a race where you really needed to just dig deep Diba?
I mean, every race talaga is a humbling experience. Kahit anong Ironman na sasabihan ko, or kahit anong triathlon, or kahit ano. It's always a challenge eh. Dahil ilang months preparation yan. Siyempre, with our schedule sa show business, hindi natin alam yung tamang pahinga, yung tulog. So, kumbaga naka-handicap ka na, wala kang tulog ka, diba? So you really have to schedule your training plans. Especially when the race comes, there are moments na you really want to give up. Na ayoko na, masakit na talaga ito, ayoko na. But you know, you think about why you're doing it, why you trained for it, the time you invested on it. So talaga it pushes you to the max, and you always ask for more. Talaga, you don't stop it because you're there for a reason. Ano? So,
well, you certainly don't stop. You're an actor, you do so many things, you're an athlete, pero ano yung gusto ko pa sa'yo? Ano yung something that you still want to do beyond what you're already doing? Yung gusto ko pa para sa'yo?
Dami pa eh. Dami pa. I always believe we only live once, so everything we can and want to do, we have to do it. Diba? We only live once, so there's no time to hate on people, to make problems on something, to give issues on things. Just do what you can do and always ask for more. Gusto mo pa all the time, every day.
Siya, gusto pa niya. Palakpakan niyo naman si Mateo. That's really awesome. Thanks for inspiring us. Someone here has a question.